Hey y'all, it's Cishna. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. Boo. Make sure you go hit that subscribe button. So I'm going to be showing y'all my nighttime routine. So while dinner is cooking, I'm trying to go ahead and do some homework. As you can see, I'm tired. I take 2 breaks and go back to doing homework. This is my second time. And then after I eat, I'm gonna go back to doing homework. So at this point, I'm over it. And like when I get frustrated, I get itchy, and you see me scratching. So I came back from studying, and I'm checking the food. I'm making French fries and hamburgers. I had been wanting it for a while, and I was sick of eating chicken. So I was like, okay, I'm finna switch it up, just to give me a taste of something new, so I wouldn't just overeat myself out of chicken. So right here, I'm trying to test the grease. So like I have a horrible time with grease. I always put it in too soon, and the fries get soggy, and I hate it. So now I'm trying to clean as I cook. So once I'm done cooking and eating, I can just go to sleep. So you will just see me just messing around with different stuff. See, I'm trying to work on the cooking and the cleaning thing. I'm getting better at it. So as you can see, I'm looking for the bread for the hamburgers. I realize it's outdated as usual. I never keep anything with the bread, never stays dated long in the house because I always don't use it. At this point, I already have my shower and I'm about to do my facial care, which is basically me just washing my face. I'm not gonna go in depth because my face is still breaking out. It looks better than my last video from a couple weeks ago. So until I go to a dermatologist and figure out what's going on, I'm not gonna do no skincare routine. So basically, I made this soap to figure out if it helped with my eczema or whatever could be going on with my face. As you can see, I'm getting lighter, so I don't know what is wrong. So I made me a face oil. And one thing I like about it, it's not heavy. Because my skin was dry.